This is basically a 2-in-1 outdoor joint cleaner. How funny is that? A joint cleaner. Let me show you what this thing is. This is actually a cool little item. And here's everything I got with it. I already used it. Let me just kind of like show you the instructions on this. You get the handle here, and all the handles do is all screw in. You get the base frame with blade, which is this thing right here, and I'll give you guys a guess how you use this thing. Then you get a brush attachment. So you basically get a broom and a kind of like a joint cleaner out. And how this works is you take these and you just screw them down in there like that, and then just screw them all together. So let me go ahead, screw them all together, get out here and show you how this thing works, because I think you're going to be impressed watching this thing. And I've got a joint right down here. So this is the 2 joints in between my driveway here. And you see those plants right here? Watch this, everybody. You see that knife right there? So you see how this thing works? See how it just kind of like cleaned up all of that joint right there? Let me move over to this piece right here. You got another piece right here. Look at that. This thing works great. Let me go ahead and grab the broom attachment. You want to unscrew this piece right here. That screws off like that. So then you're going to grab the broom attachment, screw that on there like that, and check this out. Pretty decent little broom. A little hard bristle broom. So there you go. See how I opened that crack up a lot more using that little tool. The thing worked great. So you can run this thing down all the cracks, all the way down your driveway, paving stones or whatever. I already did that one. Look how open that one is. That one looks great. And get my little broom. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 2-in-1 crack opener, paving stone opener, and broom. See you on the next video.